Hi guys, so आज के वीडियो में I am going to review this luxurious and premium wash basin from Basin Impex. उससे पहले you can look out here like how was the packaging and how did this basin arrived at my home. You are going to be astonished for sure. This basin has a lot of details on it. It is cylindrical in shape, and as you can see here there are accordion plate sort of design, and it seems to be like of wood, and inside here some other material has been used, and inside it's ceramic. Along with this आपको यहाँ पे faucet options मिल जाएंगे. So this is one of the option for the faucet that I have got from Basin Impex, and this is how its tap is going to work, and the length is also very nice and proper. This is the tap obviously. If you can see right here details from the top view, then it has this very smooth matte finish inside. Also this part to put it right here, that also adds really good aesthetic. This is really glossy and shiny, that will revamp your space totally. So ये basin basically use हो सकता है जो common area के basins होते हैं वहाँ पे, or if you have a big or huge washroom, then you can definitely use this. And I'm just going to rotate it for you to see like how is the back side of it, जहाँ से drainage जाएगा. So this particular part, as you can see right here below, here is the drainage part, and obviously आपको ये पूरा install करने में the team is going to help out. And this one right here, जो ये basin अभी जो मैं आपको दिखा रही हूँ, and this is like quite heavy. So yeah, coming back to the point, ये basically पड़ेगा आपको 80,000 rupees का, and this faucet is not at all included in this. It's just the basin I'm talking about. So you can plan accordingly. You can also go for different shapes. There are triangular shapes, conical shapes, and also there are some transparent designs that I'll just put right here. So ये वाला जो नीचे का part है, that is going to be the darker in color with some texture design or whatever you call it, and the upper part is going to be of glass fully. That will be see-through, and that looks really nice. And I know the budget is going to go up if you're going to opt for those things, but then these things adds up really luxurious vibes to your house. So yeah, as I told you already, it arrived in a very good packaging, and there was like no risk of getting it delivered damaged. So yes, Basin Impex did take care of the smooth delivery. So this part also arrives in like parts. I'll just show you now. So it comes in a separate box, and this is how you just have to fix it. Like it comes in parts. This is the upper part. I'm just going to keep it right here, and this is the longer part, and then you have to just remove it from here. It's like super easy to install. I mean, the faucet is super easy to install, but definitely team is going to come and help you. I'm just showing it to you because I did it on my own. So this is how you will remove the bottom part of it here. So yeah, it comes in several pieces for you to install very nicely. And if you're just looking for the faucets also, you can opt for the faucet options as well from their website. And yeah, this was a generic review on how I like this basin and the faucet and how much manageable it was. So that is it for today, and I'm glad if you liked my video. Do give it a thumbs up, share and comment, and you can subscribe to my channel for product reviews related to fashion, lifestyle and home decor, and I'll see you in my other videos. Till that time, bye bye.